Hello, student. This is Miss Ishmael. I will be here for Winter Break Academy. I will be with you in this journey to cover advanced algebra. So, again, I've been working in the district for 12 years. I am originally from Egypt and I have a bachelor in engineering and master in education. And now I teach AB Calc, AB Stat, AB Pre-Calc, and advanced algebra. So, I will be happy to be with you during this winter break and to get your credit and we learn mathematics together. Let's go. So I want to explain my system today. So every day you're going to have an assignment like this. So this is quarter one, day one. And this is tell you what we're going to be covering. So for this 4 days for the winter break, we're going to cover unit one, which is the inverse function. And this is a core concept in advanced algebra. And this is what we're going to cover each day. And this is the learning target aligned with the standard. And then when you go down here, there is a unit one pre-test. I want you to do it. And we're going to do it in Kidam. And to show you where is it in Kidam, you're going to actually Kidam. Again, there is a video explain that more. But when you go to Clever, so let's go Clever here. Again, I am a teacher, but you know how to go to Clever. So once you go to Clever, and then you're going to go to Kidam. So Kidam, usually it's down. And I use Kidam because you can graph, you can write math in it, And then when you click on your classroom, whatever class it is, you're going to figure out unit one. You're going to find the link to unit one pre-test. And that's important to get to know the pre-test so I can figure out, what I need to focus on. So now after that, we're going to start day one, which I'm focusing on finding inverse function using domain and range. And the lesson will be this part here. So expect 90 minutes for that. We have the brain post, which is actually kind of like building prior knowledge, activate prior knowledge, and also teaching life skills and how to be resilient and how to teach, we have to build the skills for open mindset. Lunch and explore, which is make you investigate about the concept. Now listen, video, and practice. And then the last one is exit ticket and the math daily journal. And when you finish each section, you're going to come here and say you're done. You just highlight that, and then you give me, this is also self-check for you to say if you really get the concept or you're confused. It's good for me to know. Now, here we go. When you go down here, this is the learning target we're going to learn. This is a standard. Now, this is the review Google form. The link is up here. Click on the link and work on it. Then for the Lunch and Explore, you must have an account for my Padlet. So sign up with your username and password for the district first. And then you're going to complete the lesson Padlet, which is the second one. So the first one, it will help you to sign up for my Padlet so you can be able to see my lesson for the second one. And then after that, we have a bunch of videos. You're going to watch the videos. Be sure when you click on the video, usually is a link down here because you cannot put a video, you cannot embed video in Google Doc. So again, when you click on the image of the video, you're going to find the link down here. And then after that, you answer the question. Again, I have another practice. We're going to do it in Kidam. Again, why I'm doing Kidam? Because it's a nice platform to graph and write math. And then after that, we have the exit ticket. So again, it is pretty much this fourth section here. So the review, the Lunch and Explore Padlet, my lesson video and practice in Kidam, and then the exit ticket and the journal. So the exit ticket, before you do it, I ask you to do some review quizzes, which will give you immediate feedback to see if you get the concept or not. And then now you're going to complete the exit ticket and the question is up here. And this is our learning target. And this should be aligned with the standard. You don't have to write anything in this. Well, actually, you should not write down anything here. This is for the teacher to see if the student met the standard, okay? So this is not for the student. Sorry, guys. I think something came wrong here. Okay, I'll take it. But it's okay, I will take it. Because I don't want to make you confused. You answer all the question. And then after that, we have a journal. I want you to complete this journal because this is really good to reflect in our learning. And then you're going to be done. Let me talk to you about a little bit about the journal. So you're gonna write you. It's a pretty much kind of like section, but I'm gonna open it for now to explain. So you're gonna actually tell me your feeling today. Using this, I explained to you how to do it. And then after that, you're gonna tell me what effort grade you give yourself. Okay, and this is usually my community pledge. Check it and see if you are covering the community pledge or not. And then after that, you're going to talk about your learning. What concept was easy for you today? What concept was challenging for you? How do you feel about it? And how do you feel about solving math problem today? And this is for me to, I'd like to see your voice about my lesson and also your self-efficacy and how this is going to improve with the time or not. So yeah, and pretty much that's it. And the next day you're gonna have the same thing for the next lesson, which is gonna be day 2 lesson, and then day 3 lesson and day 4 lesson. Once we finish all of the 4, you're gonna be done with the winter break, and you get your credit for the quarter 1, which we covered the minimum. Pretty much, we covered the inverse function in the quarter 1 in my regular classroom. Yeah, welcome, welcome, and excited to be with you.